In this video, we're going to learn how to use the drop function. This function is very similar to the take function in that it returns a specified number of rows or columns, except with the drop function, it excludes a specified number of rows or columns from your return array. This would be helpful if you're trying to return only the data from a dataset and you want to exclude things like headers from your selection. Let's look at the arguments here in my example. I'll start on cell A17. I'll type in my function equal drop and tab it in. Here I see three arguments: array, rows, and columns. The first two arguments are the only arguments required since the third argument is in brackets, and therefore that's not required. First is the array. This is the range of data I want the drop function to return data from. I'll choose from A5 to B14. Note how I include my headers in this selection. Comma. Next is rows. How many rows do I want dropped from my selection? If I want rows dropped from top to bottom, I would put in a positive number, like 1. If I want rows dropped from bottom to top, I put in a negative number. I can also choose columns. If I want columns dropped from left to right, I put in a positive number. Or if I want columns dropped from right to left, I put in a negative number. I just want my rows dropped, so I'll go ahead and close it out and push enter. And here I see my return data with the first row excluded. And this is going to be the drop function.